Digital technology has made volatile screens a new favorite in entertainment, but how come outdoor LED volatile screens amaze the audience? Outdoor LED volatile screens, high definition and high brightness, are the bright new stars of outdoor stages, perfectly linked with stage lighting. They create dynamic art paintings and shocking audio-visual feasts. Multi-screen interactive technology is the magic wand of the digital age, breaking the boundaries of a single screen and creating infinite imagination for multi-screen linkage. Commercial advertisements, exhibitions, and stage performances can all be seen, enriching the visual experience and enhancing interactive immersion. Behind them are high-speed networks, advanced software, and powerful storage to ensure smooth content delivery and instant interactive response. Multi-screen interactive screens, a new chapter in digital technology, invite you to join us on a fantastic interactive journey and explore infinite possibilities.